Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Today we are going to solve exercise 1.2. In that, let us see the first question. Express each of the following numbers as a product of its prime factors. In this first bit is 140. So let's consider 140. Here prime factors, we need to take the list of prime numbers, children. They are like 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. So here let us start the problem with 2. 2 70s are 140, again with 2. 2 35s are 70, again. Now here C, it is odd number, so it can't be divided by 2. Now let us see with 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. Since 8 is not divisible by 3, so 35 also is not divisible by 3. Let us go to 5. See, ending number is 5, so definitely it is divided by 5. 5 7s are 35, right? Here 7 is also a prime number. We can stop the problem here, children. So let us write 140 as 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. Here we should not forget taking 7, children. That is also to be taken. So it can be written as 2 into 2, 2 square into 5 into 7 is the answer for this bit. Now let's see second bit, that is 156. 156 as usual we can try it with 2. It is 2 7s are 2 8s are, again with 2. 2 3s are 2 9s are. Now it is not divided by 2. So let us try with 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are. Since 13 is a prime number, we can stop doing further factorization. So 156 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. Right? 2 into 2 can be written as 2 square into 3 into 13 is the answer. Okay, let's see next bit, that is third bit, 3825. So here let us write its prime factors. See, as it is odd number, it can't be divided by 2. So let us try with 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. So this number also can be divisible by 3. Let us do division. 3 1s are 3 here. 3 2s are 6. It is 2 is left. 22 means 3 7s are 21. 1 is left. So it is 15. So 3 5s are 15. Again you see, children, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 5 15. So again we can try with 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, right? Now again 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. Now here this number can't be divided by 3. So we'll go for further number, that is 5, right? 5 8s are 40, 25, so it is 5 5s are. Now again we can try it with 5, so 5 17s are 85. Since 17 is a prime number, we can stop doing the further. So here 3825 can be written as 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 17, right? So this can be expressed as 3 into 3 is 3 square and 5 into 5 is 5 square into 17. So this is the answer for this bit. Let us try next bit, that is fourth bit, 5005. So let us take 5005 and try with 5. It is 1001. Now here by looking at that, why can't we try with 11? 11 9s are 99, so 1 is left. 11, yes, we can try. It is 11 9s are 99, 1 is left, so it becomes 11. So 11 1s are. Let us try with this one with 7, 7 13s are. Since 13 is a prime number, we can stop here. So let us write the value as 5 into, actually we can write, children, 5 into 11 into 7 into 13. But you see, if you write in ascending order, it looks beautiful. Okay, that's all. It is not the meaning that we can't write 5 after 11, 11 after 7, not like that. So let us select the numbers in ascending order, that's all. Okay, so 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Even though if you write 5 into 11 into 7 into 13, that is also absolutely right, children, no problem at all. Let us see next bit, that is fifth bit, 7429. let us consider here 7429. This is the only problem, children. You need to remember that with whatever prime number you try, you may try with 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 till here with any of these numbers. Okay, it can't be divided. It can't be divided by any of these numbers, that you keep in mind. So it is divisible only by 17, children. That too 17 4s are here, 3s are 17, 7s are. So 17 into 437 is 7429. So again try this one with 19. 19 2s are here, 19 3s are, right? So since 23 is prime number, we can stop doing further. So 7429 can be written as 17 into 19 into 23. Now let us see next question, that is question number 2. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by the prime factorization method. In this first bit is 12, 15 and 21. So let us take them individually. First you take 12, then you take 15, then finally 21. So let us write their prime factors. Try this one with 2, it is 2 6 are 12, again with 2, 2 3 are 6, that's all. Since 3 is prime number, we have stopped it. This can be tried with 3, it is 3 5 are 15, that's all. This can be tried with 3, so 3 7 are 21, that's all. Fine. Now here I will tell you an easiest way of writing LCM and HCF both together in a single step. Let us see here first. 12 means 2 into 2 into 3. See the way how I am writing, observe children. 2 into 2 is 2 square, right? Into 3 I am writing as it is 2 square into 3. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Just observe children. I am writing 3 into 5. Below this 3 I am writing 3, children, into 5 here I am writing. Clear? And 21 can be written as 3 into 7. See, I am writing below 3 I am writing 3 children. Into 7 I am writing here. If you observe properly, see here, this column of 2 I maintained blank, children, here. Clear? Here I am not writing anything. So you just observe here, nothing is there means 1 is there. 1 can be written as 2 power 0. Clear? This blank also can be filled with 2 power 0. Here all the 3 numbers, they have 3, right? In this first number there is no 5. I am writing it as 5 power 0 because 5 power 0 is nothing but 1. We can write it as. Same way here in third one, 5 is not there, 5 power 0. Clear? In this 7's not there, so 7 power 0, it is 7 power 0. Right? It has 7, so don't disturb that. Now I am telling you how to write LCM and HCF also, children. See, first I will write LCM. LCM, you see. LCM full form is least common multiple. Least common multiple. In this name, L refers least. But you remember, children, here it takes the highest powers. Try to understand. It is just vice versa, means reverse. L for least, but you should take the highest power. Clear? So here you see, for 2, what is the highest power? That you will write. For 3, highest power. For 5, highest power. For 7, highest power. See, so far I did not write highest powers. Now I am writing, children. See here, 2 power 2, 0, 0. Highest power is 2. So I am writing it is 2. So 2 square. 3 power 1, 1, 1. So highest is 1 itself. Here 5 power 0, 5 means 5 power 1, children, it is. 5 power 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 is highest. 0, 0, 1, 1 is highest. So if you multiply, you will get the LCM here, children. 2 square is 4. 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 into 7, 6 7s are 42, so it is 420. Clear? I repeat it, children. 2 square is 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 into 7 is 420. Now you see here how to find HCF. Okay, we need to find both, children, LCM and also HCF. Here you observe, I am writing HCF also. Again, HCF full form is highest common factor, H for highest, but we should take least here, children. In the powers we should take least. So here you see, same way you write here 2 into, here 3 into, here 5 into, 7 into, as usual, like earlier written. Now you see, in the powers you take the least one, right? In the powers you see 2 0 0. Don't be confused, children. Don't involve LCM at all. See, till here only you observe. Till here only question. Only these 3 steps only, right? So 2 0 0, 0 is the least. 1 1 1, in 1, 1 is the least. In fact, in LCM also 1 we take as highest, here 1 is the least, because all the 3s are 1, right? Now here 0 1 0, 0, 0 0 1, 0. Now you see 2 power 0 is 1, 3 power 1 is 3, it is 1, it is 1, 5 power 0 is 1, 7 power 0 is 1. So it is 1 into 1 1, 1 into 3 3, 3 into 1 3. So here finally HCF is 3. Clear? This is how we can find easily LCM and HCF for the given numbers in the method prime factorization. Let us see next bit, that is second bit, 17, 23 and 29. So here 17 you take here, children, it can be written as 17 into 1. 23 you take, 23 also, this is also a prime number, so it has no other factors, so 23 into 1 itself. And 29 you take, that is also 29 into 1 only. Here you need to understand one thing, children. We are writing the prime factor, we are following the prime factorization method. Means whatever factors come, they should be prime numbers. Here you see we are writing 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So here you remember, children, we should not write 1 here at all, because 1 is not a prime number, children. So that's why, so 17 can be taken as 17 only, right? So let us write 17 as 17 only, because it's a prime number. You take 23, 23 also can be written as 23 only. You take 29, 29 also can be written as 29 only, right? Now let us find the LCM. LCM. In LCM, L is for least. We should take the highest power. Here 17 is there, 17 is not there, 17 is not there. If we write all the numbers, it looks so somehow clumsy, confusing. That's why I did not write 17 power 0. We just here 17 power 1, 17 power 0, 17 power 0. So 17 power 1 is the highest number. 23 power 0, 23 power 1, 23 power 0. The highest one is 23 power 1. 29 power 0, 29 power 0, 29 power 1. So highest one is 29. So when you multiply, children, these 3 numbers, you will get 1 1 3 3 9. Now let us go for the HCF. In HCF, H for highest, but we should take the least powers. 17 power 1, 17 power 0, 17 power 0. Least one is 17 power 0. Same way 23 power 0 is the least. Same way here 29 power 0 is the least. Right? So this is any number power 0. A power 0 is 1. So 17 power 0 is 1, 23 power 0 is 1, 29 power 0 also 1. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. Therefore, LCM is 11339 and HCF is 1.